Hi guys, what's up? How you doing? I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ruth Chari and welcome to today's video. So I wanted to introduce the vlog very quickly because I'm rushing to town. I have a meeting there. It's an hour to the meeting. Hopefully I'll make it on time. And then after that I'll be shopping for a vlogging kit because it's been very difficult for me to vlog without it. Yeah, so that's basically it for now. So I will talk to you guys later. Asi kupiga tu, nataka tu aone venye nakaa.
Anasema ukipigia hapa.
Nitapiga, nikimaliza nitapiga. Kwa nataka tu nifungulie nione. Ama iwezi funguliwa?
Hiyo ndio.
Hii ni ya simu. Na ile?
Inaweza chukua zote mbili. The difference ni venye ni kubwa. Inaweza kama in translate. But nachukua simu hii ni kubwa ya hii.
Sioni kaa iko na difference kubwa baby na lights. But iko na ring light, ndio hii kitu ya ring light niko nakwambia umetoka. Unaona hiyo ring light kubwa. Si inakujanga hizi step tatu ama sijui ni nne. So zote zimeng'oka hivyo.
Zote meng'oa zote.
Sasa nijue kupush hiyo simu. But then iko na hii light yake ni
na kibairi chaja kama
itakuwa lighter, itakuwa brighter. Hi guys, so today is the next day. I just want to show you very quickly what I got because I want to go outside. Yeah, so this is what I got. I ended up buying yesterday. It was going for 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Let me know if it's within the market rate. And then because I'm going outside, I need to go get something to eat because your girl is hungry. So this is what I'll be applying on my skin just to protect my skin. This is the sunscreen. Not a fan of it. I was given by a friend, but not a fan of it. I'm used to La Roche-Posay. Yeah, so then after that, when I come back, I'll be getting rid of these braids. These braids are not even like 2 weeks old. And this is how they look like. They're not even 2. I'm not even kidding. I think if you can Friday, no, it's 2 weeks. But anyways, I want to get rid of these braids, going back to wigs. And then after that I'll be cutting my hair, guys. The reason why I want to cut my hair is because my hair is relaxed and it keeps on breaking. I've done everything possible that I can do like concerning hair, but my hair keeps on breaking, so I want to go back to natural. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. I will talk to you guys later. So this is the vlogging kit. So as you can see, it comes with a mic. And the mic can fit a phone or a camera. And then it also comes with a light. The light can be adjusted. It has 2 levels. And then it comes with a place to hold your phone or a camera and a mini tripod. And then you can adjust the tripod to whichever level you want. So there's this red button here, you press it. It is on both sides. It's on both sides. So you press it and then you sort of like adjust it to whichever level you want it to be. This combo is the best. It makes my hair feel so smooth, yani. It's a mixture of olive oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil, and argan oil. Feels so good to take a shower from up bottom, yani. Can't explain the feeling. I feel so clean. I know I look like a mad woman with this hair, but these are the inches I'm left with. After cutting my hair, I am so ready to kickstart my natural hair journey. I also want to go get my hair braided into mini braids, ready for the wig. But before I do that, I want to make something to eat. Lately, I've been craving githeri, avocado, and pilipili. So I'm about to make that. Yeah. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If it's your first time here, please make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram at just_chari. Yeah, so it's until next time, my loves. Bye.